Hey, let's build something super cool and yummy together.
It can seem kind of tricky, right? Well, I have a secret for you.
Believe it or not, a great paragraph is just like a tasty sandwich.
Its job is to teach true facts, not to share what you think or feel.
So let's build our paragraph sandwich, one delicious piece at a time.
First up, you need a top bun. This is your topic sentence. This sentence is the boss. It tells everyone what the whole paragraph is about.
Okay, next up, the fillings. You know, all the yummy stuff.
These are the juicy, true facts that prove your main idea is totally right.
You're going to want to use at least 3 tasty facts to make it really strong.
And to finish it off, we need that bottom bun. That's our closing sentence.
It holds everything together and wraps it all up. No new stuff here.
And boom, you got it. Top bun, fillings, and a bottom bun. So easy.
Now you've got the recipe. You're ready to build your own paragraph sandwich.
So what cool things do you know? What can you teach someone else?
Maybe you could write about an animal. The world is full of awesome facts. Go build.